We are now back here at, I would almost say show floor here at BHS Open House. And after lunch, it is getting even more exciting because now we're going to talk to people that have actually been with the Schumacher factory to see all the fantastic things from BHS. Javier, you're from Spain, and I have already given up saying what the company name is. Can you do that, please?
JC Consejeros, this is a dealer from the BHS in Spain and Portugal.
So does it mean anything? Or is it just a name?
It's just a name.
It's just a name, okay. So you are one of the few companies that have the pleasure of being a distributor of BHS.
Yes.
How is it working with BHS?
Well, it's fantastic. It's a great company. I don't have to say nothing about BHS. It's the leader of the market and corrugated board. It's amazing for me, and this is a great opportunity for JC Consejeros, of course, to represent BHS in Iberia market.
And when we look at the market in Iberia, is it stable or is it a growing market for these type of products?
This year is declining a little bit, but a few years ago, it's always increasing. It's very stable, and I think it's a market with a very good future. Okay, of course, for sure. Personally, I decided to move on this market because I come from graphic art market because it's a very stable market, with a very good future in the market.
So are you pretty new with the company?
3 years and a half.
Okay.
I started in JC Consejeros, working with BHS in the corrugated market 3 years and a half.
One of the things that I have learned during the past day here is, of course, the Box Plant 25 vision is such a grown into all the people that you talk to. If you are as a distributor, is it also something that you get involved with and understand in how you operate your business?
This vision for me is a great vision. This is the future because I live this in the other market in graphic arts. This is transformation, okay, and I understand perfectly the idea of BHS because I live this. I was working for Konica Minolta before and offset company as well.
So you know, of course.
Yeah, and I live this transformation, this situation, and now in this market. So I understand perfectly this vision, the future. The future of the BHS in this market. So for me, we are in the right way, and we are the first company. We are leading this transformation in this sector. So for me, it's a very good vision.
And of course, it always takes a little bit more time when you're leading an industry because, as we understand, and that is one of the big differences from both the digital print and the commercial print, is that typically if you have, let's say, 5, 8, 10 years time of equipment. Here you have equipment that sometimes 20, even 30 years on the floor because it is more durable, right? So I was just thinking that with the long-term investment you have in this, having a vision for just in a few years time from now is quite bold, but it sets a direction, right?
Well, sorry.
Sorry, it was a little bit confusing question, but I'm just saying that with the BHS plan for the box plan, it shows a clear direction, and that is, even though that it may not happen in 25, it still shows where it's heading, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So you have been at the factory today and saw the jetliner. What was? My first impression was wow.
Yeah, definitely wow. So in fact, I have the advantages because I was 2 years and a half ago in Bayhammer watching this machine in fact, and now to have the opportunity to see the machine working in line and with all the controls, with everything, it was amazing, really amazing. Believe me, it's really amazing. I really, impressive, and I'm very happy to start with BHS this way because we are going to. I think we are going to have a very good success with the story. I was really impressive.
Do you have any Spanish customers here at the open house?
Yes. We have here two companies from Spain. One is Petit Group. It's a very big group, family group, the biggest one in Spain. And also is here Saika. This is an international group, but the headquarters are in Spain, and also we have many companies who they wanted to come, but it's not possible at this time. Maybe it would be possible next times, but there are a lot of interest in Spain regarding of this technology and this presentation of BHS.
And the companies from Spain that joined you here for the open house, have you talked to them about their first impression of the machine? Was that also wow?
Yeah, of course, definitely. It was amazing. It was amazing. One of the main doubt in my case and of the customer is how to combine two technologies, analogic and digital technologies. And when you see the great and the huge work that BHS have done with this integration, the customers are really impressive with this technology.
So it will be interesting to see when you get a machine to Spain for the first time, right?
Oh, of course. I hope so. I hope so. It's soon. I don't know. We will see.